myself Tahir Hussain, all the way from Chennai. Okay. So I know very little Malayalam, not much. So how many of you understand Hindi, English, Malayalam? Okay, okay. So I Malayalam try cheyan. Okay. So in the class on Streaks Professional hair coloring class. Okay. So as sir said, so it is going to be completely basic. Okay. So basic means what is color, what are the variants in color, etra variant undu, pinne color and procedure enna, color eppadi use cheyyam, etra naal varam, this complete details nam ipo. Okay. Before going into the product, ivide etra pair Streaks product use cheyidundu. Okay, since we have little bit new people here who have not used the Streaks products, okay, so let me go with a non valare detailed item. Mudalil brand patti details hoya, okay, then followed by other products. Okay, see Streaks Professional, it is an Indian brand. Okay, so this is Indian brand. Then the head office Mumbai. Okay. So, these products entirely available throughout India and other similar countries like Sri Lanka, then Dubai, like these countries it is available. Okay. So, this Streaks Professional brand comes under HRIPL, Hygienic Research Institute Private Limited. Okay. So, this company 65-year-old company. Okay. So, the first product is Vasmol Kesh Color. You know that? Vasmol 33 Kesh Color product available in supermarkets, medical outlets, like that. So that was our first product, launching product. So then they launched many products, and from past 20-23 years we are into professional industry, which is mainly a salon focused business. Okay. So here this is the brand company details. So till now, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Without any further delay, let us start at the class. Okay. First we will go into basics of hair. What do we go? Basics of hair. Hair and the basics on. Okay. So when we go for basics for hair, it is mandatory for us to learn the layers of hair. So this image you will be seeing in all your classes. So first we will understand the basics of a hair. Okay. Now one question to you. What is our hair made up of? Ninde mudi edu it is made up of? It is a bond of protein chains. Okay. Normally when you cut your hair, it grows automatically. Okay, there are two things which grow automatically in our body. One is hair, the other one is nails. Okay, then comes your skin and all those things. Okay, so this basics of hair, first we should know hair is a dead cell. What is it called? In the call, it is a dead cell. Okay, so when you cut your hair, you feel any pain? No. Okay, so it is a dead cell. Okay, so one hair, it is called hair shaft. What is it called?
Hair shaft.
Hair shaft. Okay, so now you need to interact with me, then only the class will be interesting. Okay, so one hair is called hair shaft. Okay, so once you pluck your hair, if you see at the bottom, you see a white color round bulb. Have you seen? Okay, so if anybody has not seen, take one hair and see. So that is called hair bulb. You can also sit here. Why so far? Come here. Come. You want cushion chair? Okay. Okay. So it is called hair bulb. Okay. So how our hair grows? Hair eppadi valarum? Endha cheyide hair valarum? Question to you. Ededu Nangbal cheyengil hair valaram. Massage, good. What else? Spa. Then food, main important thing. Okay, so when you eat lots and lots of rich in vitamins and protein based foods, your hair grows naturally very well. Okay, so then additional massage, hair spas, proper wash, so these are all secondary things, but main thing is food. Okay, so hair is made up of protein chains. Okay, so hair is a combination of a protein chain. Okay, so it links together. When the protein is formed, so it comes as a proper hair to you. Take one hair and cut it into two halves. Okay, so cut it into two halves and see the hair through a microscopic machine. You know what is a microscopic machine? Blood test, lab test, you go na, they have this zooming lens. So that is a microscopic machine. So when you see through that microscopic machine, you will find something like this. Okay, this guys, this is what I have written, but in a vertical manner. This is on a horizontal manner. Okay, a hair will look something like this. With the sharp right undale. Okay, you get it now. I don't want to go deep. So this is your cuticle layer. Okay, so cuticle layer is like this flower. Okay, see this on top of one, each one it covers like this. Have you seen touch me not plant? Touch me not plant. Once you touch, it closes. Okay, and once you leave, it will open. Okay, so a cuticle is the first layer of the hair. Hair in the total 3 layers undu. Then the first layer in the name cuticle on. So adu kanengil. Okay, kanengil sharp ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ job open ആകും പിന്നെ close ആകും. Okay, and cuticle is a transparent layer. Okay, so cuticle ന്റെ നിറമില്ല. What do you call transparency? You see this bottle. Okay, now if I put red color ink inside, what will the bottle color be? It will be red. Okay, so but the outer there is some layer which is showing whatever it is inside. So this is the meaning of transparency. Transparency in Malayalam what we call? Sudha. Sudharika. Okay, so that is Sudharika. And then the second layer, the most important layer in the hair. I will tell you why. Okay, second layer in the name is called cortex. What is it called? Cortex. Okay, so in cortex, so when you see a movie, TV or any cinema, so when you see a heroine, what you admire in her hair? Leave the face, leave the dress, everything. What you see in her hair as a beauticians, beauty and hairdressers? Yededu kanum hair movie kanum ella yededu kanum. You don't, I think you didn't get my question, correct na? So when you see a people, okay, let me take example of myself. Okay, so what you see in my hair, what you, okay, for example, I will take her as a model. Okay, so when I see her, she is beautiful. Okay, but when I see her hair, okay, she has made a color. Okay, she has not done a color. Okay, she has braided her hair. Okay, how is her hair? Straight hair or wavy hair or curly hair? These are the things we note down. So that is why I gave you example of movie. Okay, now don't ask me which actress and all. Okay, just like that. Okay. So here, when we talk about cortex, there are two main things. One, people's hair is easily noted by the hair color. Okay, so you have your natural color pigments. You have natural color pigments and natural hair bonds in the second layer. Okay, so what is a natural color pigment? We will go step by step. We are going step by step. Is it easy for you? Good. So now what do you mean natural color pigment? Okay, now I see her hair. Okay, so her hair as a me being in industry, I can judge her hair into 1 to 5 of base, 1 to 10 of base. Okay, so it is dark hair or light hair, black hair, brown hair, blonde hair. We can tell like that. Okay, for example, see her hair and see my hair. Is both the color same? Which means people in this room each has different color or maybe same color also. Okay, so that is called natural color pigment. What is it called? Natural, which means God given gift, like that we can understand. Okay, so natural color pigments are there in the cortex layer. Okay everyone. Okay, now coming to the hair bonds. What is this? Hair bonds. Okay, so how is my hair? Curly hair? It is a straight hair. Okay, see her hair, it is a wavy hair. Okay, so maybe someone here curly hair. Okay, so this we call it as hair structure. Okay, what do we call? Hair in the vadivamai pan. Okay, so now we saw the color, black color, brown color, blonde color. Now we see the bonds means hair structure. Okay, so hair in the nariya vidhamana bonds unde adu straightening class it padikam. Okay, so ivide hair in the color pigments patti explain cheyidu, pinne hair in the structure patti explain cheyidu. So once this is done, now we are moving to the third layer, which is called medulla. Okay, see medulla is we consider it as an empty layer. Empty means adanda joli number hair industrial peridalavu illa. Okay, so we are not dealing with any products in the medulla layer, so it is just an empty surface, empty layer we can understand. Okay, so up till here clear everyone? I want you to understand one thing, and I have a question. What are all the color ranges? What types of colors available in the market? Can you name any one or two? Ettara variety ana color. Okay, color. Okay, you are saying about color. Yes, red is there, black is there. Many color families are there. Okay, so my question is, there is a permanent color. Okay, like that, how many variants are there? We will write number 1 permanent color, number 2 semi-permanent color, number 3 demi-permanent color, and number 4 temporary color. Hair color undu. Okay, adinde answer 4 types undu. 4 types in the name: permanent hair color, semi-permanent hair color, demi-permanent hair color, and then temporary hair color. I hope everybody knows what is the meaning of these 4 words. Okay, now I want you to interact. Who will answer this? What do you mean permanent hair color?
Permanent hair color no.
Permanent identical. What do you mean temporary hair color? Yes. So it will stay for a single wash. Okay. Now, what is semi-permanent hair color? Korachi days varum. Demi, more korachi days varum. What do you mean demi-permanent hair color? Okay, good. So here, permanent hair color means, these are normal words like long lasting, it will be long lasting, it will be short lasting, like that. Okay, so technically permanent color, it goes and works inside the cortex layer. Okay guys,
inside cortex layer.
Okay, and then when it comes to semi-permanent color, it works in between the cuticle and the cortex.
Semi-permanent is cuticle cortex working.
Demi-permanent, it works on the cuticle layer.
Demi-permanent is cuticle layer working.
And just for toning down, that I will tell later. For toning down purposes we use that. And then temporary color, one wash color, spray color, paint color, gel type colors, those are all temporary, which will stay only for one wash or one day. Okay everyone, so these are the variants available in the market. Okay, so then after this, now I'm giving you 1 minute time. Look at the notes. We will calm ourselves down, we will understand everything in a good manner, and then we'll move forward. So here, as we said, temporary only one wash. So here, starting from permanent, it differs from brand to brand. Since we are learning Streaks Professional today, okay, so permanent color will give you a long lasting of 18 to 22 washes. You can write it down. Streaks Professional Argan Secrets color.
സാധാരണ നമ്മളൊരു പെർമനന്റ് കളറിന്റെ ലൈഫ് കൊടുക്കുന്നതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 18 to 22 വാഷ് വരെ, 18 മുതൽ 22 വരെ വാഷ്.
By using proper home care.
അതായത് പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഹോം കെയർ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ പ്രൊഫഷണലി പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരു കളറിന് ലൈഫ് എത്ര കിട്ടുമെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഡിപ്പെൻസ് വാഷ്, ഇത്ര ദിവസം എന്ന് പറയാൻ പാടില്ല, ഇത്ര വാഷ്, 18 മുതൽ 22 വാഷ് വരെ പെർമനന്റ് കളർ കിട്ടുന്നത്.
Okay, semi permanent color, it lasts up to 8 washes.
സെമി പെർമനന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 8 വാഷ് വരെ കിട്ടും.
Demi permanent we do not have in Streaks, but it has the ability to last like 3 to 4 washes. You have a shade chart along with you. Okay, and this shade chart is sharing all the informations. Oh sorry, color vanda pinne shade chart valara important ആണ്. Okay, so ഈ shade chart ന്റെ pinne valara entire details ഉണ്ട്. Okay, ഈ shade chart ന്റെ pinne only this page proper ആയിട്ട് understand ചെയ്യെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും color experts ആണ്. So here, before jumping into color, so it is mandatory for us to understand what are the basics of color. Okay, so not only hair color, wall color, vehicle color, whatever color you see. So the basics of color, we call it primary colors: blue, red and yellow. As you can see it in this shade chart.
ബ്ലൂ, റെഡ് ആൻഡ് യെല്ലോ, ഈ മൂന്നെണ്ണമാണ് പ്രൈമറി കളേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്.
Okay, so with this 3 colors, these 3 color in the mixing all the colors which we see. This is the basic adipadayana color. See now, before 20-30 years maybe, there will be only red, blue, green, yellow, orange. But now, how you see? Orange, lightest orange, baby orange, you see na? So all these are proportion mixings, percentages. Depending upon percentages, you will get the results. Okay, so which means the basic color is blue, red and yellow. Tube of blue, or your children's might be having some oil paint, something. Okay, so take 5 ml of blue for example, or 1 ml of blue, and mix 1 ml of yellow. It will turn to green. Okay, so once the primary and primary together, when it's formed, there is a new color formed, new color achieved.
പ്രൈമറി കളർ മിക്സ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വേറൊരു പുതിയൊരു കളർ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും.
അതിന്റെ പേര് secondary color ആണ്. What do we call? Secondary color.
Secondary color.
Okay, so blue and yellow creates green.
Can show that.
Okay everyone, so we just now understood what is a color wheel, what are primary colors and what are secondary colors. Any doubts? Okay, so now we will go forward.